Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn the chapter Arithmetic Progression. What is arithmetic progression? An arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers in which each term can be obtained by adding a certain quantity to its preceding term. In an arithmetic progression, the difference between two consecutive terms is called its common difference and is denoted by the small letter d. Thus, if T1, T2, T3, T4, etc. are consecutive terms in an AP, its first term is T1 and is denoted by the small letter a, and its common difference d is equal to the difference between the two consecutive terms, that is T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2 or T4 minus T3 and so on. Next, general term of an arithmetic progression. Let the first term of an arithmetic progression be a and its common difference be d. The terms of the AP can be taken as a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, etc. Therefore, the nth term of an AP is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Once more, the nth term of an AP is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Keeping this equation in your mind, let's start the exercise. First question. Find the 24th term of the sequence 10, 8, 6, etc. Given AP is 12, 10, 8, 6, etc. Here A is equal to 12. D is equal to, the formula is T2 minus T1, that is equal to 10 minus 12, that is equal to minus 2. The nth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We have to find out the 24th term. Therefore, T24 is equal to a plus 24 minus 1 into d. That is 12 plus 23 into minus 2. That is equal to minus 34. Next question. How many terms are there in the series 3 by 4, 1, 1 by 4, etc. to 3? Given series B 3 by 4, 1, 1 by 4, etc. 3. Here A is equal to 3 by 4, D is equal to T2 minus T1, that is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4, that is 1 by 4. Here the last term is given as 3. We have to find out how many terms are there in this series. Let 3 be the nth term. Then you know the formula, nth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is 3 is equal to 3 by 4 plus n minus 1 into 1 by 4. 3 minus 3 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4 into n minus 1. That is 9 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4 into n minus 1. Therefore, n minus 1 is equal to 9 by 4 into 4. That is n minus 1 is equal to 9. Therefore, n is equal to 9 plus 1 equal to 10. Therefore, 3 be the 10th term. Next question. If 5th and 6th term of an AP are respectively 6 and 5, find the 11th term of the AP. Given that fifth term of an AP is 6 and sixth term is 5. You know, fifth term means A plus 5 minus 1 into D. That answer is given as 6. That is A plus 4D equal to 6. Next, sixth term is given as 5. Sixth term means A plus 6 minus 1 into D. That is A plus 5D is equal to 5. On subtracting, A plus 4D minus A plus 5D is equal to 6 minus 5. Therefore, D is equal to minus 1. Now, putting the value of D in any of the equation, A plus 4D is equal to 6. Therefore, A is equal to 6 plus 4, that is 10. We have to find out the 11th term of the AP. T11 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is A plus 11 minus 1 into minus 1. So the answer is 0. Next question. Find the 10th term from the end of the AP 4, 9, 14, etc. 254. We know that rth term from the end is equal to n minus r plus 1th term from the beginning. Here the first term is 4 and the common difference is T2 minus T1, that is equal to 9 minus 4, that is 5. And the last term is given as 254, that is nth term is equal to 254. We know the formula of nth term. Tn is equal to 254, that is A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 254. 254 minus 4 is equal to 5 into n minus 1. 250 is equal to 5 into n minus 1. Therefore, n minus 1 is equal to 250 divided by 5, that is equal to 50. Therefore, n is equal to 50 plus 1, that is equal to 51. Now, 10th term from the end is equal to n minus r plus 1th term from the beginning. That is equal to 51 minus 10 plus 1th term. That is equal to the 42th term. Therefore, T42 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is 4 plus 42 minus 1 into 5. That is equal to 4 plus 41 into 5. That answer is 209. So I hope this exercise was clear to you all. Practice the questions. Thank you.